Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and on this video today I'm going to be talking to you about the subject of cerebral palsy. Not a very good subject. It's a problem, a condition that is usually associated with birth or with the birth process, and it is a brain disorder associated with birth. But I've got a feeling if you have a child with cerebral palsy, you know a lot more about it than I know. So I'm not going to sit here and try to tell you everything that it is. I will tell you something you might not know, though. Out of all the cerebral palsy cases that happen in America each year, at least 10% of them are caused by negligence, the negligence of a physician or some hospital worker. That is a very significant number, folks, in this day of modern technology and things like that. Now, when you consider that cerebral palsy is a lifetime injury, that it's going to take the lifetime of your child, it's going to cost well in excess of $1 million, I would say, for medical treatment, for therapy, for home treatment, home therapy, pain and suffering, all those things, and many, many more that I haven't thought of, you're going to incur as a result of this. Now, you can't expect a physician or medical provider to come forward and say, well, I'm sorry, I was negligent, and just admit they're wrong. They're not going to do that. It's going to take a lawsuit, folks. It's going to take a lawsuit. Now, you cannot file a lawsuit against a doctor or medical provider for cerebral palsy or any other medical thing without first getting sworn affidavits from physician experts in your local area. In this case, if we were checking your case, we would use experts from probably some large, well-respected teaching hospital to look at the case and say yes or no on negligence. And those people do not give their opinion easily, folks. They would have to give a sworn affidavit saying there's negligence there before that case would go forward. So this is not an attack on your doctor that I'm proposing. What I'm really proposing is that if you have a cerebral palsy child and you want to see if you are one of those 10%, you are in the 10% that was caused by negligence. I'm telling you that if you are, and that could be proven in court, the compensation for you and your child would be very significant. And you can have that investigation absolutely free. We will do that for you for free. We will check your case, get the records, have them examined and all that. It costs you nothing, and your physician probably won't even know about it unless he's one of the 10%. Now, time is of the essence, folks. There's this thing called the statute of limitations. It runs out, and once it does, your case is gone forever in Tennessee. At the most, that's 3 years. So if you're going to do it, you need to call right away.